What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about fitment and adjusting coilovers, specifically Fortunato coilovers, if you have an Evo 10. I put on the coilovers yesterday, but my parking complex, it has a lot of really steep dips and corners, and it's got this weird hill that you approach at the entrance, and any way I go about it, I scrape, and I don't like that. So as good as the car looks right now, I will have to adjust the height of it. I mean, it looks damn good. It looks so good. So this is the thing. In the rears, this was a lot lower. I believe I raised it up about a ½ inch higher than how it was normally. So when you put on the coilovers, it's got its right adjustment. That's kind of already set. I didn't know how it was going to look, so I just slapped on the coilovers. And so this fender line was actually hitting where it says extra low. So right there is where the fender was. I'm cool with it being like this. If I have to go a little bit higher, I will. But, I mean, I don't really have any issues as far as scraping or rubbing at all. The clearance on this, it's right there. I mean, I feel like most people would tell me to roll my fenders. I can get away without rolling fenders. At least for the time being, I don't think I'm going to roll fenders. I might, just to make it cleaner. But I'll see what's up. Maybe if I get bored in the future, I will. Here is the issue. I want to raise this probably a ½ inch. I think I'm going to do a ½ inch right here, just because I need the clearance. I'm always rubbing when I go into high speeds and there's like a little dip in the road. It just hits and it feels like it's, ripping my car apart. I definitely have to go at least a ½ inch in the front. I already raised this one, pretty happy with it. So for anyone that's wondering, the measurement, there's a green bracket at the top, a green bracket at the bottom. The space between those is 4 inches. So for anyone that has an Evo 10 and has Fortunato coilovers, I'm sure this applies to most coilovers, but I'm just going to tell you they're Fortunato 500 series, just so that, you would know exactly what to do if you had that set. I'm just going to take off the fronts, show you how to adjust those. Okay, now let's take a look at this. So I do see that we got a little bit of rubbing right there. I think when I start to go faster than 30 miles an hour, it definitely starts to vibrate a little bit. I'm guessing that that's what that is causing. But as far as the inside goes, right inside here, it's hella rubbing. It's rubbing away at the inside of the fender. It's kind of hard to tell. There you go. See that? Took off paint and everything. And then it rubs right there. And then it rubs right there. The good thing is that you cannot see it from the outside of the car. You literally have to poke your head inside here and then you can see it. So yeah, we're raising this sucker up. Now, like I said before, the rears have already been adjusted, but pretty much it's the distance in the threads. So the length of these black threads, that's how I measured it out. Roughly about 2.5 inches. So we're gonna go from 2.5 inches to 3 inches, and that should solve our problem. If it doesn't, then I will have to readjust again, but I don't think I will need to. So all we have to do is break this loose, and then we have to get this threading and move it outward. We just do a few twists. Halfway there. Money! We are at 3 inches. So now we just lock this back in place. We're done with the adjustment. Still looks pretty cool. On this side, you see a little bit of threading, but that's only because this road is kind of weird. It's kind of at an angle, so that's why most of the weight of the car is transferred towards the driver's side. But definitely still looking nice. This thing's freaking sick. Yeah. And what I like about it is, see, even on this side, I was rubbing. Now I got that nice little clearance. Still looks aggressive, not stock. Definitely overall, it's a big win. Big win for the Evo today. So that just about covers it for this video. Sorry, it was a pretty quick one, but I just thought I'd let you guys know because everyone seems to always want to adjust their coilovers, but they don't want to tell you like exactly how much distance they're doing it. So that's just an example of what I'm running and what I think is appropriate. I will eventually want to track this car, so that's why I can't go too low, even though going low, it looks so cool. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.